In today's video, let me show you how to fix the Malaysian bank app login problem. Now, whether you have any sort of bank applications installed on your device, and if you're having issues logging into your account, the first thing that you can immediately do in this situation is try to clear out the app cache and data. Simply tap and hold the application, head over to the eye icon. Once you're inside, head over to storage and cache, tap on clear cache as well as clear storage. Once you complete this first step, try to see if you can now log in. If you're still having issues, you'll also need to ensure that you disable any sort of VPNs or ad blockers, as well as turn off the developer mode. So within your Android device, especially if your developer mode is enabled, you can simply search for the developer mode and make sure that it is disabled. If the developer mode is not showing up, that likely means it is disabled on your device as well. Now, if none of these solutions are still working out, then the last thing that you can try out is just to reinstall the application. This helps to solve any sort of bugs by installing the latest version. So that's pretty much all there is to it. If this video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe. I'm going to see you in the next one.